how to change the voice of Qwen AI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. In this AI tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can change the voice or the speaking voice of your Qwen AI. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is head on to chat.qwen.ai, which is the official Qwen studios from where you basically chat with your Qwen models. Now, once you are here, in order to change the voice, you first need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then click onto the settings option. Now, within the settings, you will need to head on to general, which is the first option. And within general, you can see these three settings. The first one being theme, the language, and the voice. So we'll need to focus on the voice. Simply click onto the current selected voice, and from here you can select any other voice, like a female voice or any male voice. So these are basically the voices that are currently available. You can simply, if you wish to hear them, you can simply click onto them and it will start
Ugh,
uploading for the
you'll
same, as
never
you
guess
can
what I
see
just
right
did
here.
was
So you can see that these are the voices. If you wish to change the language, you can do the same from here. Or if you wish to add your own voice, you can simply use this create voice button. And if you will do this, you can either clone the voice, like replicate a video from a short audio sample, or generate a unique voice by adjusting attributes. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.